Okay, so this is us on our small blue planet. We are amazing. Cities are buzzing, vehicles of all types are moving, data is streaming, and items only science fiction could dream up are being produced. But to achieve this, every second we're burning fuel. And that's a problem. Modern life isn't the villain. It's the side effects of our energy system. So here's the big science question. How do we keep all of our human endeavors running without overheating the planet? If you follow the news, I'm sure you've heard this term, net zero. Here's the chain reaction. Activity needs energy. City lights, cars, computers, even your cup of morning coffee. And energy today mostly means fossil fuels. Burning fossil fuels releases greenhouse gases. Greenhouse gases trap heat, and trapped heat changes everything. The result? Stronger storms, droughts, wildfires, rising seas become part of the new normal. That's not politics, that's physics. So where do we go from here? Net zero means that the amount of greenhouse gases we put into the atmosphere is balanced by the amount that is removed. Not zero emissions, net zero emissions. Think of it like a bathtub. The faucet is carbon pollution from cars, planes, factories, data centers, heating. The drain is nature and technology, forests, oceans, soil, carbon capture systems. Now, if the water is flowing in faster than it drains out, the tub overflows. Right now, the tub is rising, fast. Net zero means turning the faucet way down and making the drain bigger until the water level stops rising. On the emissions side, it means transforming how we power everything, implementing alternatives to fossil fuels, embracing new modes of transportation and heating systems, rethinking our approach to waste. It's about upgrading the operating system of civilization. On the carbon removal side, Canada is one of the world's giants, not just because of what we emit, but because of what we can store. Our forests, our peatlands, our soils, they are natural carbon vaults. But what can you do about it? That is where the Net Zero Challenge comes in. The Net Zero Challenge encourages and helps businesses create and implement ambitious and credible plans to reach net zero emissions by 2050. Hundreds of Canadian companies have already dug in by making net zero planning a regular part of doing business, using efficient and clean energy, and sharing their knowledge to help Canada lead the way and stay competitive in the global market.
So we are Top Shelf Distillers. We are a craft distillery located in Perth, Ontario. We are a gold tier participant of Canada's Net Zero Emissions program. With our products, since they are based on agriculture, the grain, the water, the wood that we use, sustainability in general is intertwined with our products, our bottom line, and our business. The program allows a space for discussion and transparency with our data and our pathways for decarbonization. We have identified several hotspots of emissions intense work that we do, so specifically focusing in production, and we also focus on our supply chain emission sources.
Everything we make starts as much as we can from natural ingredients. So it's that care for the environment that's going to be really the basis of a lot of the flavors of what we do. When you really get to share what you're passionate about and share what it is that makes your company special, what it is that makes your vision special, like what it is that you care about, that always connects with people as you're authentically sharing, and our customers absolutely have connected with that. It's cost effective and it's long-term focused.
As we continue our decarbonization journey, Top Shelf will be here in 100 years, efficiently using resources and continuing its promise to decarbonize and work efficiently and take care of our resources that we use to create our products.
Net zero in Canada won't be one solution. It will be forests and farmers, engineers and Indigenous leadership, concrete and code. It's about powering up differently and embracing new, exciting ways to bring the planet's climate system back into balance. And for the first time in 2 centuries, we would be living within Earth's carbon limits.